there, beautifuls! It's time for us to show you some amazing makeup hacks. Starting with the first one, which is the solution to using your lipstick to the fullest. All you have to do is scoop out the leftover lipstick and then melt it with a spoon and lighter and then add it to a container. Repeat the same with all your almost empty lipsticks and create a new and beautiful lip palette. So useful, right? To ensure that your brushes get thoroughly cleaned, just use a fresh bar of soap and scrub the brush onto it. Rinse with warm water by washing the soap bar and the brush thoroughly to remove all the makeup. Use a plastic mesh to place on the brush so it will dry out completely. What a genius hack! Repeat the same procedure as before with your Dirty Beauty sponge to clean it out. Rinse the sponge afterwards with lukewarm water to remove all the makeup residue. Now for a fun hack. If you want a liquid highlighter, all you have to do is scrape some powder highlighter and mix it with lotion. Mix it thoroughly in a container and then apply. You will get a lot of shimmer payoff. See how amazing it is? Moving on to another hack. This time working with almost empty concealer and contour tubes. Repeat the same melting procedure and then add it into another container to use it again. We're amazed by these ideas. Oh, and here's another brush cleaning hack because we know we need all of those. Just take a mesh strainer, add some shampoo on it, and then scrub the brushes into it, cleaning them amazingly. This also makes it easier to rinse out and strain the excess water so the brushes dry quicker. Mind-blowing. If the unfortunate event of breaking your powder highlighter happens, this is how you can save it. Just scrape the whole product and crush it, then spray on some rubbing alcohol and press it down. It will look as good as new. So, which hack will you be using next?